Lockdown has seen a new wave of beard growing guys emerge, and we know growing and maintaining a beard can soon become confusing territory. We've been in the beard game for years now, and we know everyone's beard growth and beard goals are different. But there are a few golden rules of thumb that we can definitely share with you. The most important starting point is patience. Try and let your beard grow out beyond the itching phase before you approach trimming it. It might be itchy for the best part of a month, to the point where you just want to shave it all off, but this is the test we all face. There are also plenty of products to help soothe you through it. Now, when it comes to trimming, we want to keep the cheeks shorter than the chin, and this will allow the beard to grow in a nice natural shape. Many people jump to buying beard trimmers straight away. A comb and some small scissors, unlike Ben's here, will do the job, and it means you don't risk losing your beard. A good tip with your neckline is to take a finger's width above the Adam's apple as your starting point. Using your index fingers to trace your cheek lines will definitely show you if they're symmetrical. Using a comb the facial hair straight out from the growth. This will allow you a better view of the shape of your beard. When you come to a barber for your first proper trim, make sure you communicate what your ideal end look is for your beard. Don't feel embarrassed if you have an end goal reference picture. These help make things clear for us and help us behind the chair suggest tips that you may not have considered to successfully get you there.